Hello and welcome to this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to set up phase one. Okay, so this is essentially step one of making sure you've got full AI capabilities of using this platform. So what we need to do is we need to head over, okay, as you scroll down you'll see something called Google AI Studios, where you're going to get an API key, and with that key we're going to come here to the field of API key and we're going to enter that. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of short steps how you're going to obtain your API key for the provider of Google Gemini. So straight away you can see it says, as you scroll down below this video, get your API key here, and there's a link there like so. Simply select that link and it will take you to a brand new window. Now in this window you can see we're in the Google AI Studio, and it's completely free to actually sign up and use this platform. Okay, they have a free tier system, so you need to go ahead and select create API key. Okay, once you select API key, okay, it'll open up this new pop-up, and within this you will essentially have something called create API key. So this will be blue, however, because I've used this before, it's going to ask me to actually use from the drop down this language client. But for yours you probably will not see this. What you will see is this button says create API key. So go ahead and select create API key. Once you select that, it will take a few moments and it will generate a specific and unique API key that you're going to need. So here you can see API key generated. You can copy that, and we are going to go back to the platform here where it says key identifier. Let's just call it Google API key. Okay, so we know exactly where it's come from as a reference, and we're going to go ahead and paste the API key. Okay, so there you go, that key is in there. Once we select, it will refresh and it will save. So go ahead and save your key. So you can see really simple short step on getting your key once it refreshes. You can see now it has redirected us to another tab called the AI settings. Okay, so as you're watching this, you're now going to be redirected once you enter that key on the pop-up to the new tab of AI settings. Okay, so now you can see the AI key has been added and is set as default. Now next, head back over to the platform, okay, where we got the key in the first place, and what you're going to need to do is go to where it says plan. Under here you'll see a tab saying set up billing. Select set up billing and make sure you actually have an account set up, just to make sure we say to avoid any kind of uninterrupted service on your account. So link a billing account. It will walk you through those steps. Very simple. So now once you've done all of that, you can now return back to the platform, and we're going to follow the second API key that we're going to want you to add just as precautionary measure to make sure you've got two keys set up. Again, once you go to the AI provider, there's a drop down. It's going to say open AI. Once I select that, you can see there's another prompt just to make sure you add your billing details to stop any kind of uninterrupted service. So once I go down, you're going to see it's going to ask for key identifier, API key, the same steps we've done for the Google Gemini key. Now, because I've selected it, can you see where it says API key here? It is a new link. Okay, we're going to select. Once you select that, it's going to redirect us to the Open API section here like so. Now, immediately I've got two aspects. I'm going to hit the green button here. It says create new secret key. And I'm going to go to owned by, not you, but service account. Let's call this open key 2, and go and select create secret key. Some instances you may see that you might have to complete a quick puzzle just to make sure that you're human. I'll go ahead and do that right now, and I'll show you exactly what it's going to look like once you've done. Okay, so verification is complete, and now you can see I've got a brand new key here. So what I want to do, if you can see, it starts with SK. Okay, that was a service key, and I copy. You can make a note of this, return back to the platform, put key identifier. Let's just put open key 2, and I put in my API key like so.